Hello everyone, my name is Kane Herunisa and I'm nutrition science student at Universitas Esa Unggul. It is a pleasure to introduce myself and my share learning journey talk about the English 3 course. And I'm passionate about health, nutrition, lifelong learning. Talk about my academia journey. I have developed strong communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. And I enjoy learning new things, taking on the challenges, and finding practical solutions that can improve people health and well-being. In the future, I hope to build successful career as nutrition professional and contribute to promoting healthier lifestyle in the community. And I would describe myself as responsible, adaptable, and motivated person who is committed to continue improvement. And I believe that professionalism, integrity, and effective communication are essential qualities in the both academia and professional improvement. And my goal is to become someone who can communicate ideas clearly, work collaboratively with others, and make meaningful contribution to the health sector. And throughout the English 3 course, I learned many valuable communication skills, and I improved my business, email writing, professional writing, presentation skill, and professional speaking abilities. One of the most meaningful assessment for me was development the healthy meal corner and nutrition labeling system proposal. As a nutrition science student, I was able to apply my academic knowledge to solve a real problem while practicing persuasive communication and professional presentation skill. And of course, I also faced several challenges during the course. At the beginning, I was not very confident speaking English in front of the camera, and also needed to improve my pronunciation, speaking balance, and confidence during presentation. To overcome these challenges, I practice repeatedly, review my work carefully, accept my feedback from my lecturer and classmates, and continue improve each assessment before adding to my e-portfolio. And I believe my greatest improvement has been my confident one, speak English and presenting ideas professionally. I also become more organized in my writing, learning how to communicate with the different audience using clear and appropriate language. In the future, I plan to apply to the knowledge and skill I gained from English 3 in both my academic and professional career. Whatever I'm giving presentation, writing professional emails, prepare proposal, or communicating with college and clients. This communication skill will help me become a more competent and confident nutrition professional. Okay, overall, course has taught me that effective communication is not only about using correct English, but also about expressing idea clearly, listening activity, and communicating with confidence and professionalism. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I truly appreciate with the opportunity to share my learning journey, and I hope to continue improve my English skills and apply them throughout my future academia and professional career. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.